What if creating videos was as easy as typing your thoughts? Or imagine turning your creative ideas into realistic videos without spending hours editing or needing advanced skills. InVideo AI claims to make that possible. It's a browser-based tool designed to help beginners create videos for platforms like YouTube or social media without needing any prior experience. In this review, I will explore how well it actually works. I read a lot of comments and reviews where people mention that it's too expensive and unaffordable for beginner creators. So for those people, I have a special promo code which will help them to save up to 70% plus 50 AI generative minutes. To get it, make sure you watch the video till the end because I will announce it in between the video. InVideo offers over 30 AI features, but many of them are basic, like resizing videos or adjusting brightness. There are more advanced tools too, such as the AI talking avatar. If you want to learn how to use InVideo AI smartly and are looking for the in-depth tutorial, so check out the video in the I button. It will help you to leverage the power of InVideo AI effectively. For this review, I focused on the features that seemed most useful and practical for everyday video creation, and that could really make a difference in your workflow. The main highlight of InVideo is its AI video generator. You can type in a prompt or choose from preset templates. For the test, I created a short 30-second promotional video by writing a short prompt. Then continue and click on generate a video. Then we will be asked to either use generative media with credits which need premium plan or generate using free stock media. You can also choose your audience type, look and feel and the platform. So I started with the free version. It generated a video under 5 minutes, but the results were disappointing. The video included unnecessary elements and felt like a collection of moving pictures. On top of that, a large watermark was present throughout the video. While the watermark can be removed with the premium plan, the free version feels very limited. Next, I tried making an AI generated animated video. Unfortunately, it reused the same stock images as before and was not animated at all. This showed just how restricted the free plan is. Switching to the premium plan did improve things slightly. The watermark was gone and the video followed my style instructions better. The good thing in premium plan is that if you don't like anything in the result, you can fix it. In the editing phase, you can replace media, change music, and even rewrite the script. InVideo also advertise tools like an AI script generator and voice generator, but these don't stand out. The script generator extracts text from the video it creates, which feels unnecessary and slow. The voice generator, slideshow maker, and other features often reuse the same tools, making them feel repetitive and less exciting. So the things which I found good in InVideo is it's very easy to use even for beginners. No downloads is needed since it's cloud based. Offers a wide library of royalty free music plus the option to upload your own. And the things which I found not so good that the free version is extremely limited and includes watermark. Premium plans are expensive and offers no returns or free trial. Many features feels repetitive and don't work as expected. And when we talk about its pricing, InVideo offers 4 subscription plans to suit different needs. The free plan provides 10 minutes of AI video generation per week, 10 GB of storage, access to stock media, and 4 weekly exports with a watermark, ideal for exploring the platform. The Plus plan priced at $28 per month when billed annually, removes watermark and includes 50 minutes of AI video generation, 100 GB of storage and 2 voice clones. For $48 per month billed annually, the Max plan increases storage and other limits but still caps generative credits. The most comprehensive option is the generative plan, priced at $96 per month when billed annually, offering 900 generative credits. Enough for frequent users, though it still is not truly unlimited. And here you can apply the promo code. The promo code I mentioned at the beginning can be found in the description, where I also guide you on how to get and apply it. InVideo AI is a decent tool for beginners who need something quick and simple. However, if you are looking for some advanced features or high quality results, then you might find it lacking. The free version is fun to explore but too limited for serious use. Meanwhile, the premium plans are expensive but worth trying. For better options, I recommend tools like Hazen AI for video creation or 11 Labs for voice generation. I also made a full review plus promo code video on both of them, so you can also check them out in the description. These alternatives deliver stable, more polished, and better value. So if you found this review valuable, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.